You might want to consider this video a mortgage State of the Union address. I understand the industry has been suffering quite a bit for several months at this point in time. We're still seeing a lot of success with our programs, and we want to talk to you about some of the things that you can do to continue growing your business and thriving even during a down market. So if you know anything about us here at the Mortgage Growth System, you know we generate hundreds and hundreds of leads every single day for dozens and dozens of clients. And this is helping them sustain their business and continue to grow even during this time. And I know there are a lot of skeptics out there thinking, oh, well, the whole industry is down as a whole. I'm having such a hard time getting deals and business. I'm not getting referrals. And that is exactly the problem. Most of you have no lead source. And it's critical at this point in time to be involved in some sort of direct to consumer marketing. There are absolutely people still buying homes, still wanting to get a mortgage and things of that nature, but your reach right now is probably not big enough. That means you're basically casting a very small net. You're used to talking to agents for referrals, maybe networking locally. And quite frankly, during this period of time, that is just not enough. You need to be advertising to the world, to maybe not the world, but at least maybe your whole metro area, maybe your state, or even several states to acquire business. There are definitely deals out there. People are still closing loans with our programs, still building their business. And I cannot emphasize that enough. You can see our case studies all about that. Now, I'm not going to sit here and argue, yes, you should work with the Mortgage Growth System. Do I think that? Yeah, I think a lot of people are probably a good fit for our program, but whatever you do, you need to be casting that broader net, going direct to consumer. So you are finding those people who want to get mortgages. And this is an important thing. If you are, a conventional lender, you're helping people buy homes. Right now, you're probably not getting very many referrals from agents. And this is also skewing your view, making you think that deals aren't out there. In fact, this is a great time to build your referral partnerships by casting that wider net, by acquiring leads who do need a mortgage. And here's another little tidbit. If you haven't seen us talk about this before, we already know about 98% of the leads you acquire through our programs do not have a realtor yet. So once they're pre-approved, ready to go, all you need to do is hand that out to some realtors that you want to build partnerships with and say, yes, when it's your turn to provide a referral, can you make sure you send that back my way? And if you do, I can keep this going. We can keep trading deals. And what you'll find is that in most cases, when you're using that strategy, which we call agent stacking, that will allow you to build your partnerships faster. You'll get more referrals than you're giving to realtors. And this is largely the case because most realtors never get referrals, even when the market is good, especially right now. So this is what I can tell you. I would highly recommend you find some sort of lead source so that you're acquiring those people that do want to buy homes and get out of the rut. Don't keep doing the same things, especially if they're not working for you right now. If you have any interest in our programs or learning more about what we're doing to help, loan officers and even real estate agents continue to build and grow their business, even during a down market, go to mortgagegrowthsystem.com. I appreciate you watching this. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more helpful videos like this. Thanks.